G'day, welcome to our place. I'm Dave George. My family and I own Smith & George, a small training organisation that's dedicated to helping people use chemicals safely and effectively. I'd like to take just a couple minutes of your time to tell you about our online chemical accreditation course. I'm confident that you'll find it quick and easy to do, and I reckon it will appeal to you and to other people who use chemicals on the land. But first, just a little bit of background. I grew up on a mixed poultry, dairy and cropping property. I spent quite a few years doing agricultural research for the Department of Agriculture, and for the past 25 years my family and I have been cherry growers in this small piece of paradise at Gummaraka in the Adelaide Hills. I sort of fell into the training game around 25 years ago when I started teaching pest and weed control in TAFE. In that role, and also through my own experience using chemicals in a wide range of situations, I've learned a lot about the risks involved when using chemicals. At Smith & George we've been running chemical accreditation workshops for around 18 years. A few years ago we realised that it's getting harder and harder for people to attend training courses. Gone are the days when we had time to spend a day or two in a classroom. These days it's just a hard slog to make ends meet. When you add up the time it takes to travel to a workshop, plus the time at the workshop when you'd much rather be back at work, and all that on a day that just doesn't suit you, it became pretty clear that we needed to find a better way to do the chemical accreditation and training. That's why we developed our Smith & George online chemical accreditation course. We launched the online course in 2010, and since then many people have completed it. Their response to the online course has been overwhelmingly positive. We can almost hear the sighs of relief when people realise that there's an easy alternative to attending a workshop. One of the greatest features of the online course is its flexibility. It's flexible in that you can log on at any time of the day or night and work on it. It's flexible because you can stay online for a few minutes or a few hours at a time. The choice is yours. It's also flexible because in some topics you can choose modules in the course that suit your own personal needs. For example, grape growers no longer have to learn about broadacre spraying if it's not relevant to them, and landscapers and greenkeepers don't have to learn about vaccinating animals. It's not one of those one-size-fits-everyone courses, which often end up being a one-size-fits-no-one course. One of our biggest concerns when we developed the online course was that we could lose the personal interaction with people doing the course. We didn't want to just enrol you in the course and then forget about you. That's why we have a free call phone number that you can use to contact our experienced and helpful team if you have any problems as you work through the course. And don't be surprised if you get a call from us at some point, just to see how you're getting on. Now, I don't know your individual circumstance. Maybe you've just done your chemical accreditation and you don't need to do it again for 5 years, or perhaps you need it straight away. Either way, I invite you to find out more about our easy online option by clicking on the link at the bottom of this video. The link will take you to our website where you can either sign up for training straight away if you need it, or alternatively, fill out your details and we'll send you a free self-adhesive sign for your chemical storage area, as well as our free quarterly newsletter, helping you keep in touch with chemical issues. It's quick and it's easy. And don't forget, if you'd rather call us to discuss your training needs, we're just on the other end of the phone. Our free call number is on the website. See you later, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.